tell you a joke, you laugh, but that's 'cause it's actually just funny. And the way I look at you sometimes, and yeah, you still have no idea. It can never happen to me, but forever only in my dreams. Oh, I'm feeling you, but I know that the feeling is not mutual. Oh, I'm feeling you, but I know that the feeling is not mutual. Even when you look me in the eye, I'll hold it in until I die. At least I'll always know I'm feeling you.
Alright, live at Ridgely Theater Lounge tonight. Checking out the GameFreek show, fucking getting our fucking floor on. We got Lewis right here. He came up here and did a nice little acoustic set. How you doing tonight?
Doing great. How are you, man?
Doing great, man. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I noticed a lot of different technique you had there. The second song, you opened up with like a nice good hard blues riff. I think you stepped that third song out really melodical and stuff like that. Yeah, I totally dug that.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Right.
How'd you like the show tonight?
It was a lot of fun, man. I felt kind of weird coming and doing it because like, hey, I'm playing like indie rock and stuff with like all these rappers and whatnot. Like music is music though, so and I like having different variety like that and stuff on it. So,
Oh yeah, I was gotta keep it eclectic to the motherfucker. So I heard your band was supposed to be here, but you were the only one who was able to make it.
yeah. We had some conflicts. At first it was just the bassist and the keyboardist, and then within the drummer as well. Had fun having conflicts as well.
Okay, well,
yeah.
thanks for fucking coming out, man.
Hey.
We really appreciate you coming out here and stepping up. What was the name of that band though?
Cherry Mantis.
Alright, cool. Give it a shout out to Lewis. Give a shout out to Trey Mantis. We really appreciate you coming out having a good time tonight. Sure. East and Arson, Texas, keeping it live all the time. Ridgely Theater, having fun all night long.
Imagine if that baby shark, you know, found a gun or something in the water, and he got a face tattoo and became a SoundCloud rapper. That's who this is. Baby cat, it go black, 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 black. Mama cat, it goes skrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr gat. It go do, 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 do. Baby gat. It go blah, 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 blah. Mama gat. It goes daddy gat. It goes diddy, bop, 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 bop. Grandpa gat. Do, 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 do. You know that I gotta keep my gat. In the alleyway, we smoking on that crack. When I feel it creep up on behind my back. You know I reach my hip, you know I got that strap. We just chillin', super blessed, no catfish. Eating crocodile soup, and it's nothing. And you know when I'm feeling happy, I reach up on my hip and shoot up on my strap. Baby gat, it go black, 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 black. Mama gat, it goes daddy gat, it goes diddy, pop, 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 pop. Grandpa gat, it goes doo, 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 doo. Baby gat, it goes black, 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 black. Mama gat, it goes daddy gat, it goes diddy, pop, 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 pop. Grandpa gat, it goes doo, 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 doo.
What up, Eastern Arts, Texas? Keeping it live at Richmond Theater tonight. We got Camber up here. Good style. How you like your set or what?
It was my first, show. It was really fun. Never showed me love.
I heard you were rocking out with your cock out.
You know, I
Like
got that
look at this
thing
crazy
on
fucking
me.
bitch, got a gat out at all times. You only had 2 fucking songs, but it fucking rock. Love it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for coming out tonight. I fucking love you.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah. Badass bitch, right here.
Hey, I got somebody to introduce y'all to. I'm gonna bring to the stage. Just in case y'all not fucking with me, you might fuck with my uncle. So if y'all could please give him a round of applause and welcome my uncle, Chef Oscar Antonio! Bring that Hey y'all, this song is called Skillet, and I just want my uncle to turn up with y'all. He gonna take some pictures. Hey, can I walk you up the steps? You wanna come up here? Come on, buddy. There you go. All right, look. Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Whoa, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Hey, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Yeah. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Chef D whipping in the skillet. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Chef D whipping in the skillet. Hey, too hot, so I think I need to chill it. Hey, me rice, it'll only take a minute. Legalize weed to the city. Whoa, fuck the police, got tickets. Middle finger to the speed limit. Yeah, I got gas in the tank, I can feel it. Up to the motherfucking ceiling. Hey, you got no fans but the crickets. Whoa, still coming up short like a midget. Yeah, I'm the cool kid, come visit. From the south, no west, still wicked. I got the full thing, no dip. Keep the honey butter on a biscuit. Yeah, no dub, but you know I got digits. I can raise a whole damn village. Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Whoa, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Hey, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Whoa, Chef D whipping in the skillet. One time, then let's go. Hey, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Whoa, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Yeah, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Whoa, Chef D whipping in the skillet. Nigga, I'm gon' kill it. Hey, put your hands together. Hey, yeah, let's go. Whoa, yeah. Chef D whipping in the skillet. And I just killed it. Thank y'all so much for If y'all want pictures with Chef Oscar, please tag me. And also, I got a beautiful Christmas album I dropped for you. Figured it out. Hardaway is out. It's on Spotify, iTunes, everything you got. Look it up. It's called Chef December. Shout out to my Christmas fans. All right, love y'all. Thank you.
What's up, y'all? This is Chef Oscar right here.
Sure.
Coming live at Ridgely Lounge tonight. Coming off a great set. I love that flow, man. Soulful as hell, dude. I fucking dig it the whole way. It's emotional. I can feel it the whole way. How you like it tonight?
Man, I love it. The atmosphere is beautiful. I love the stage, the crowd. It's been really amazing. I have shows all the time, literally once or twice a month and more when I do open mics. But this is my new addition to my brand. His name is Chef Oscar.
All right, Chef Oscar.
We have a whole story to him. Y'all just follow me. You know what I'm saying? You'll learn more about Chef Oscar.
What's your link, man? Say it to the camera.
My link, all right, my social media is YoChefD. That's YoChefDee. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then Chef Oscar has his own page as well. Yo Chef Oscar. As long as you got the Yo Chef, you're gonna find it. So y'all please.
Awesome, man. Chef D, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for East North Texas, Chef Oscar. We want to do a solo show with y'all when these guys come out. I'm gonna hit you up, man. All right?
Yes, sir.
Y'all fucking live the motherfucker. I like that shit. Y'all keep bringing it. You keep bringing it, man.
Hell yeah.
I love that shit. Hell yeah.
Maybe it's me. I know it's not over yet, but it's getting pretty close. Say what? Hey, but you turn into a clone. Maybe it's me. And if it is, say what? Please, maybe it's been me all along. Maybe it's been me all along. Say what? Maybe it's who? Yeah, but it's getting pretty close. Maybe it's me. I don't wanna be a monster, but you turn into a ghost. Maybe it's me. Yeah, and if it is, can you explain what the fuck is going on? Maybe it's been me. Here we go. Sing it with me. Maybe it's been me all along. Maybe it's been me. I become blind from pursuing the things that I can't see. Now and I love back from my old high school to all the time to focus on shit that I might do. I used to ride you all day. I used to ride you all night. But now the feeling ain't right and you can't no more but shitty advice. About to be twice that I fuck what we had up. Fuck all that other shit, girl, this is what matters. I'm making right like I'm fixing that matter. This shit's complicated, I'm changing my status.
fuck I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's me. I know it's not over yet, but it's getting pretty close. I don't wanna be a monster, but you turn into a ghost. Maybe it's me. And if it is, can you explain what the fuck I'm doing wrong? Maybe it's me. Sing it with me. Maybe it's been me all along. Nice. That was good.
What up, motherfucker? GameFreek in the house? How was the show tonight?
It was amazing. I had tons of fun.
I had a blast myself, man.
I love being on stage, man. I love putting on the show.
You know?
It's amazing.
It's the same time we had you up here in the past couple weeks, man. You know, here to showcase your spectacular event. It was a spectacular event, straight up.
Oh yeah, dude. Man, I had an amazing time, bro. It's really just an honor performing in front of everybody. All my fans, like, you know, I really have to do it to them, man. I gotta put on awesome.
Now, were you surprised as us when Chef Oscar came on the stage in that costume? Like, what the fuck? That shit was fire though, wasn't it? Well, he hyped up the crowd for you like crazy.
It worked out perfect.
Yeah, man.
He's awesome. That was such an awesome performance. I'm glad I got him in last minute. He wasn't originally on the set, but I got him in this day. Actually, he came out all the way from Dallas just to perform.
Shit, I came out from Dallas too. Same show. But no, I know this is your first event, but I know there's many to come, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Of course.
Hey, y'all just getting this primed up right now.
Yeah. This is practice. You know, this is just a test run.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like, everybody had their own presence on stage tonight. It was fantastic. It was fucking superb. It was fucking amazing.
Yeah, and I feel like the vibe was a little different every time. You know, everyone brought something new to the table.
Oh yeah, it was great. When Lewis got on stage, he even said it himself in the interview. He's like, hey, nobody was expecting me coming over to the acoustic guitar playing some melodramatic tunes or nothing like that.
He killed it though.
He did, man. Everybody did. Well, thanks again. Thanks for the show. Always thanks for the good time. And check out the back of this shirt for GameFreek, done by Mona. This artist over here, she did a fucking spectacular job on that design, man. Hey, welcome to Eastern Arts. Been showcasing this awesome show tonight at the Ridgely Theater for GameFreek and all the other guests. Had a blast. Can we see the back of your shirt, GameFreek? Hey Mona, I heard you designed this. I see your signature right here. Can you tell us a little bit about this design or any inspiration that you got from it or what got into it? Or
Okay, so basically this inspiration came from the title of the performance, which is Song from the Garden.
all right.
And I figure since all his music was based on different types of flowers, I would have to put it like coming out as waves, basically.
Okay.
Making music out of it.
Alright.
Just by
It's like you feel the beats
yes,
when you look at it.
and you feel it in your own body, inside your body.
And I totally feel the fungus, man. The fungus makes it fucking really pop.
Yes.
Like
Which is growing on you and in you.
all right, cool.
That's what I'm trying to say.
It's awesome. Well, Mona, thanks for the design. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for being a guest.
Thank you so much.
Have a great night.